Hi guys, this is Talia from Bouquette Beauty and Fashion What's Here. I'm here to show you how I do my everyday makeup. Just something simple that doesn't take a long time, and it's a look that is good for when you're going to have drinks with your friends, or maybe a date or a brunch. And it should take like 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe 10 to 12, give or take, especially if I'm not like distracted and my phone's not like in my face and I want to see what's on Instagram. But I will be using one of my products from Bouquette, and I'm really excited to show you how it looks on my skin tone. So they are called Les Petits, and the color I'm using today is a red lip tint. It's called Rozee Rouge, and like I said, I think it looks good on all complexions. I've seen it, I've witnessed it. You ladies look beautiful in it, and thanks for tagging me in your makeup looks. So yeah, let's get into it. I will be doing my eyebrows offline, off camera, so when I come back, my eyebrows will be drawn in, or, I mean, they're not too bad right now, they're growing in, but yeah, they'll be filled in, and then I'll do everything else on the camera. So I can't wait to show you. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm back. I just drew it in with, I forget what this is called because I've had it for so long, and it's, I believe, is a Morphe brush or Morphe brush, angle brush. So my eyebrows are drawn in. I think that's like such an important, like, essential part of your makeup routine, is to have your eyebrows done. Even if you don't do anything else, your eyebrows are a must, like first priority. So, okay. So I have avocado oil on my face right now, and I'm kind of in between moisturizers, but I usually use Glossier's priming moisturizer. Not the rich, just the regular kind. And it's a good primer and moisturizer at the same time. But today I'm going to use this Belif. I think this is a K-Beauty Aqua Bomb. So I'm just going to put it on, I need a little bit more because I have dry skin. And just rub it in. I don't wing my liner, but I just put the black, liquid liner on my eyes. And with me having like smaller eyes, for some reason it just makes them pop more. I don't know, but I've noticed that this is like a must. Like, this is definitely something I need in my routine. I don't do it every single day, but when I do something to my face, I definitely try to work this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner. I don't know if you guys can do wing liners, but I suck at it. Okay, so now I'm going to use my NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and I'm going to just kind of cover all of my like little spots, the dark spots, because I'm not wearing concealer today. I don't really wear concealer that much anymore. And I'll have I brush everything. Okay. So, done with that. This is the NYX, and it's in CW 8.4. And now we are going to go in with our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use Deep, and I'm going to use a generous amount today because my under eyes, like the bags and the dark circles, they've been like out of control lately, and I just don't understand why aging has to exist. Like, why can't I just stay young, you know? But concealer definitely helps out, doesn't it? And I think I'm running out of this because it's not as creamy as it used to be. So. Put a little bit right there, but I usually don't do that. I'm just following what the YouTubers do. I used to do that though. And at the end of my look, I'm going to apply concealer on my top lip because I have like hyperpigmentation, and when I'm wearing anything that's dark, if I'm not using like a clear or pink gloss, if I'm using like a red lipstick or a dark lipstick, it tends to like bring out that darkness on my top lip. So I have to kind of like conceal it, or color correct it, I should call it. So I'm gonna let my concealer sit for a little bit, and then we are going to, okay, so this is the thing. I love 3 types of highlighters. So, well, this isn't a highlighter actually. This is Glossier's Cloud Paint. So it's like a pink, future pink color, and you have to be very light with this. Like, it's very pigmented, so if you just put like little tiny dabs, it will add like a lot of flush to your skin. So I'll be very careful with this if I use it. I think I'm gonna use it. And this is the Fenty Beauty Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And then I have a NARS, I think this is called the Copacabana. So I am going to use this. First I did not really care for it, but now I don't know. You don't even need much, but okay, you know what? Let me blend in my concealer first. And I use my fingers. I'm gonna go back in and use another layer of concealer, and then it will be like full coverage under my eyes. But as you can see, my eyes are a little bit better. Just gotta get that blended out. So I just put like a little bit. That might be enough. It's not even a pea size, y'all. It's like a dot. And I think that would be enough for each cheek, I think. If I was to go like to a nightclub or, you know, somewhere where I want to get like jazzy and snazzy and cute and stuff, then I would use more of this. But because I'm wearing a red lip, I just feel like it's just too matchy. So my camera stopped, and I was applying the NARS Copacabana. So I've put it on my side, what is this called? I don't know, cheeks and stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. So can you see? Alright, so we're going to blend that in. And this has like a pearly, silvery, it's very subtle, I should say. I'm going to take this little palette. I've had this for so long. It is called the Still Away palette, and there's this navy deep blue shadow in here that I like to take with an angled brush that came with the palette, and I just dab it a little bit, and then I'm gonna have to, I gotta use both hands, sorry. I'll be right back. But I put it in the inner corner, like not all the way across, but just like kind of from the end to the middle. So it just adds a little drama to my eyes. And like I said, with me having small eyes, I'm sorry, I'm still here. There's like a difference in like my right eye to my left eye. It just makes my eyes pop. Like with having small eyes, and there's nothing really special about my eyes, I don't think they are. You know, some people have like almond shaped eyes or like just big, beautiful eyes. Like my eyes are just tiny. So you gotta do something for them. Okay. So, all right, so everything, most of my steps are pretty much done. I'm just gonna brush up my brows. And now we are going to use a little bit of the Fenty. So one step that I think is super crucial, super important is I use the Ginger Binge, which is the less shimmery option in this palette. And I just take like my index finger and then I just kind of do like that. Actually, I think I take this finger. Yeah. And that just kind of makes your eyes pop. Once again, with me having basic little tiny eyes, I need something that will enhance my eyes. So this little trick, and it's super freaking quick. Oh, I could have just used this mirror in here. Yeah, that's good. Yep, that's good. So, and then I also take my ring finger and I do it on my eyebrows. My cheekbones. Kind of just go over the NARS Copacabana, add a little more shimmer. And then I'm going to do mascara, and then I'm actually going to scrub my lips with my lip scrub, my lip polish, and because it's just going to help the lip tint apply better. So just a little quick scrub. And as y'all notice, my lips was looking real ashy. I try to give y'all the real deal. I love this scrub. And there's a wax in my scrub. It's called Carnauba wax. It's organic. It's toxic free and all that stuff. That just kind of like makes it a little more emollient and not crummy and not to, you know, fall off your lips. So, damn. I don't have anything to wipe this off, so I'm about to do it ghetto style. Wipe it. Lick it off. You can lick it off too. It's very safe. So, okay. All right. So let's go ahead. I'm so backwards. I'm going to put my mascara on. So right now I'm using NARS Climax, and this is not my first choice of mascara. This is just the one that I've kind of been easy to grab, and it's just been in my purse. But I usually use a Benefit. I love their mascaras, but I can't find it. I think it's somewhere in my car, like on the floor or something. But anyways, we're going to apply a massive mascara. Massive. Whole lots. Now, this is the lip tint, Rozee Rouge, and I'm just going to turn it up like that, and my lips are clean, so sorry, applying it. rub it in. That's how like a first coat looks, but I don't know, will it or... Okay, so this is what it looks like. And so, for the sake of time, I'm not going to do any other steps, but spray down, setting spray. And like I said, I do put a little bit of concealer on the top, so I'll be back and try to do that. Let me go do it now. And this is the final look, and ta-da! Do you like? Sometimes I do put a little bit of concealer under my brows to kind of like make them sharper, but I don't do all of that every time because it's just too much. So it's super moisturizing, super soft, like it lasts for hours, and it has a strawberry, organic strawberry extract, so that's like, you know, it's also good for skin care and for your, you know, beneficial to your lips and stuff. But yeah, this is my everyday look, and I hope you guys liked my tutorial. This isn't really a tutorial, it's just how Talia does her makeup. Yeah, I'm really passionate about skincare, and I think that, you know, the products that I come out with, you guys will enjoy and love, and it'll make you feel pretty and make you feel good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please check out my website, bouquettebeauty.com. Follow me on my pages, Bouquette __, and that's BOUQUETTE, and then Talia S. Ferguson is my personal page. And you can also follow me on Fashion with Here. I'm still blogging, but yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Mwah.